Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASRock and NZXT Intel 690, H670, B660 and H610 motherboards. So friends, the ASRock and NZXT Intel's motherboards are listed, and friends, the list offers confirmation on upcoming chipset names such as flagship Z690 platform for high performance and overclocking, feature rich mid-range series such as H670 and B660 chipsets, and the entry-level models based on the H610 chipset. And friend, ASRock will be rolling out a larger number of Z690 Phantom Gaming motherboards, including Gaming 4 and Z subvariants with wireless network cards, Phantom Gaming Velocita and Riptide series. There is also an ITX motherboard coming. So friend, the Z690 Extreme and Still Legend series will feature two models without Wi-Fi 6E network cards. Those motherboards are accepted to look identical bar those motherboards are accepted to look identical but the different aesthetic. And friend, ASRock will be also be rolling out the Pro RS series based on Z690 and B660 chipset, as well as Pro 4 for its entry-level B660 and H610 series. And friend, the budget H series and C series models are also to be accepted. Those are the list equipment models offering lackluster overclocking potential and limited connectivity option. And friend, along with Z690 Phantom Gaming ITX with Thunderbolt 4, the ITX form factor will be offered for all four chipsets except not under the Phantom Gaming series. And friend, that's what the early list of motherboards seems to be suggested. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.